Yeah. Well, that one girl seems to know her shit. Uh,
So you can't say.
no, nope, nope. If they better themselves,
Oh,
more
yeah,
power to them.
Oh, yeah, she's young. She's got a young kid.
Yeah. Well, that's the whole thing.
That's
You
why
got to
she-
get
That's why
insurance for
she did it.
kids.
Oh, yeah, that's why she did it.
You know, when I caught pneumonia, Frank, that woke my ass up big time. Because when that pastor's standing over top of you, giving you your last rites, that'll wake you up. And so